Hello everyone, this is Shivam Chauhan and today I am giving you notes on the topic regional imbalances in India, in which first is introduction, second one is types of disparities, third heading is indicators of regional imbalances in India, fourth its causes, fifth its consequences, and at last its measures and suggestions. So first is introduction. Regional imbalances or disparity means wide difference in per capita income, literacy rate, health services, education services, level of industrialization, etc. between different regions. Regions may be either states or regions within a state. Then second subheading is types of disparities. There are four types of disparities: global disparity, interstate disparity, intrastate disparity, and rural and urban disparity. The explanation is given below. Then, third subheading is indicators of regional imbalances in India. There are 12 major indicators of regional imbalances in India. First is state per capita income. Second one is interstate disparity in agriculture and industrial development. Third one is intrastate imbalance. Fourth is special distribution of industries. Fifth, population below poverty line BPL. Sixth, unemployment rates, literacy rates. Seventh. You can also take these screenshots of these notes. Then eighth indicator is degree of urbanization. Ninth is per capita consumption of electricity. 10th is employment pattern. 11th indicator is FDI, foreign direct investment. There is a table diagram also for better understanding. Then last and 12th indicator is HDI, Human Development Index. These notes are based on very easy language which is understandable to all of you. Then next subheading is causes of regional imbalances in India. First cause is historical factors. Second cause is geographical factors. Third cause is failure of planning. Fourth cause is financial cause. Fifth cause is infrastructural cause. Sixth, disparities in socio-economic development. Seventh is political factors responsible for regional disparities. Eighth is predominance of agriculture. Ninth is lack of motivation on the part of backward states. And the 10th or last cause is locational advantages. The next subheading is consequences of regional imbalances in India. First is interstate and intrastate agitation. Second, migration. Third, social unrest. Fourth, pollution. Fifth, housing water problem. Sixth, frustration among rural youth. Seventh, underdeveloped infrastructure. Eighth, aggregation of the imbalance. So there are 8 major causes of regional imbalances in India. Now at last move to our next subheading, measures or suggestions. So there are about 30 suggestions given in the notes. There are 30 suggestions. So this is the whole topic. So these are the notes based on the regional imbalances in India. I hope you all like it. So please give it like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.